Time to plant peas on this sunny day in February here in the southern Appalachians. Might be a different time where you are. Rule of thumb is to sow them about a month to a month and a half before the last frost. Now here I'm going a little bit sooner because I know that we have this very, very short window of cool spring weather. So the variety that we're growing here today is called sugar snap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape 2 furrows down the middle of this bed. And I'm doing 2 because that's appropriate spacing, and also that's because it leaves a space for the trellis right in the middle, so either side can grow up the same trellis. I want to have about 8 to 10 plants per foot, but not every single one of these seeds is going to germinate. And then I'll undersow or intercrop some lettuce in front of them, to the south of them, because these will get quite tall.